Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the Pepe Binky and its pre-sale, an emerging meme powered layer 2 project worth watching closely. Whether you are intrigued by meme culture, low cost DeFi or potential early stage opportunities, stay tuned. It must catch your attention. Dear viewers, Pepe Binky blends the vibrant spirit of meme coins with a real layer 2 blockchain design, fast, low fee transactions anchored in security and scale ready infrastructure. First of all, here we will discuss about the pre-sale of the Pepe Binky. Pre-sale pricing is low. For instance, stage 1 is priced roughly, here you can see 1 BK is equal to 0.001224 US dollar. Upside potential is if the post listing price triples or rockets further, early participants may see significant returns. Some sources highlights 50x or even more possibilities, though such outcomes are speculative and not assured. This could mean potential growth, though outcomes may vary. Here you can see that you can take part in the pre-sale through Ethereum or USDT. Here you can select Ethereum and here you can also select the USDT. So first of all, you will have to connect your wallet. Here you can see that you can connect your MetaMask Coinbase wallet connect. So here you can see that I am going to connect my wallet. So dear viewers, here you can see that I have connected my wallet. Here you can see wallet have been connected, and here you can see that you can take part in the pre-sale through Ethereum or USDT. So here I select USDT. If we put 100 USDT, here you can see that we can buy 81,699 BK meme coins. So this is the process by which you can take part in the pre-sale. Now we will discuss further details, and here you can check the information about the BK, the next evolution of meme coins. Pepe Binky is a layer 2 blockchain engineered for speed, security, ultra low fees, and powered by memes. And here you can check how can you buy. The step 1 is, first of all, you will have to connect your wallet, MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and then you will have to select the network. You can select Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, and then you will have to go to the step 2. Here you can see that you can choose token and amount, select Ethereum, set your amount, approve the transactions, and the step 3 will be confirm and buy, review your details, then confirm purchase, confirm in wallet, and receive the token. So this is the process by which you can buy. And now we will discuss the roadmap of the Biki. Here you can see the first step is cooking in the crypto womb, and the second word is Mama Pepe got a baby on the way. The third one is launch pre-sale incoming, and fourth one is big name partnerships, and the next one is community hype, max vibes, and the next one is birth. And here you can check the second phase, birth, and the third phase is growth. Here you can check the step by step process, how it going to be expand and how it is going to be take growth. And here you can check the tokenomics of the Biki. Here you can check the name Pepe Binky, symbol Biki, contract address has been given, you can copy it. And here you can check the pre-sale share. Here you can check staking and rewards. Here you can check the centralized exchange reserves. Here you can check the total token supply is 100 million, and here you can check the liquidity, and here you can also check the chain reserves and marketing shares. So dear viewers, if you have any question regarding Pepe Binky, you can get detailed answers from the frequently asked question segment. Still you have any question, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. What makes Biki a game changer? Dear viewers, Biki is the native utility token for Pepe Binky, a meme-driven layer 2 EVM chain promising ultra-low fees, rapid finality, and robust security, all wrapped in meme culture flair. And now we will discuss zero tax and no rug pulls, meaning smoother trading and fewer hidden costs. No rug pulls. The project includes vesting controls and locked liquidity to foster trust and stability. And the next feature is its white paper. Dear viewers, here you can see the white paper of the Pepe Binky. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the white paper of the Pepe Binky. And here you can check that zero text structure, smart economics, and meme centric roadmap positioning Pepe Binky for growth if executed well. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the white paper to get the detailed and authentic information about the Pepe Binky. This document will be proved very useful for you. Dear viewers, Pepe Binky pre-sales kicked off around August 2025 and is expected to run through September 2025. The project maintains community channels via Telegram and Twitter. Here you can check the Pepe Binky official Twitter handle. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Twitter handle of the Pepe Binky to get real-time updates, announcements, and the latest news about the Pepe Binky. And here is the Telegram community of the Pepe Binky. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join the Telegram community of the Pepe Binky so that you can get connected with the community and with the team of the Pepe Binky. This community will prove very useful for you. Dear viewers, you are among the last early entrants in the Binky journey. The pre-sale windows won't stay open forever. If the momentum continues, this could be a compelling moment to explore further. Head to the official site, join the community, and consider it if it fits within your risk-tolerant investing approach. Dear viewers, this content is for educational purpose only and is not financial investment or legal advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry risk and may not be suitable for all. Always conduct your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share the video. Stay connected with our channel for the latest updates. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.